Hello, welcome to lesson 37. Today we are going to cover chemical compounds and parallelograms. So, the question is, the chemical formula for water is H2O. If we have 30,600 grams of water, what is the weight of the oxygen? And then they give us that oxygen normally weighs 16 and hydrogen normally weighs 1. So what you're going to do is you're going to set up a table with hydrogen, oxygen, and water. Then we know that there are two hydrogens, so the mass of hydrogen is H times 2, which would be 2. 1 times 2 is 2. We also have one oxygen, so you get that straight from the formula here. One oxygen, which would be 16. So if you add those, the weight of one water molecule is 18. Now, they tell us in our container, we have 3,600 grams of water, and we want to find what is the weight of oxygen. So I'll put an X here. So what I did is I took the information we had, filled out these columns, you add them to get the third one, the total, and then this gives me my setup. So I'm going to have 16 over 18 equals X over 3,600. If you solve that out, you'll get that X equals 3,200 grams. Simple as that. So draw the table, use the values they give you, and you're set. Now the second part of this lesson is on parallelograms. So these are shapes where you have two sets of parallel lines. Here's the trick. In a parallelogram, all of the opposite angles are identical. So these two are equal, and these two are equal. So if they give you a problem like this, you can solve it out. So we have 10x plus 50, 5x plus 10, and we have y plus 10. Now, here's one more trick. Any two angles next to each other add up to 180. Why? Well, if I draw this line out a little bit, you can see that this angle is the same as that one. So you can write out two equations and solve. The first equation is setting these two blue angles equal. The second equation is set any two angles that are next to each other equal to 180. So we have 5x plus 10 plus y plus 10 equals 180. From there, you can solve using substitution or elimination. And that, my friends, is lesson 37.